Step 7. Measurement and Report. Basic measurement. For simply measuring distance, press the Measure button, then use the trackball to move caliper. Place the caliper on the start point, then press the Set to fix it. Then drag to the end point and press Set again. The measure value will be shown on the window. For other measurements, rotate and press each soft key. Let's practice a volume measurement. There are two ways. First, freeze the image, then select volume by rotating and pressing the soft key. Now, 3 distance volume measurements are activated. Measure length, height, then go back to scan. Freeze the image after you find width. Then system is ready for third distance. Volume value will be displayed. Dual screen makes it easier. Press the dual button, then scan length and height. To activate and freeze second screen, press dual button again. Then measure third distance. Labeled measurement. Labeled measurement helps increase your work efficiency. Let's practice some examples. First, thyroid volume. Scan the thyroid and then press the Measure key. Then, labeled measurement menus appear on the context menu. Press the left Set key to generate cursor. And let's select left, thyroid, pressing Set key. The context menu shows the sequence of thyroid measurement. Once you finish first measure, the system gets ready for the next measurement in order. And now thyroid measurements are ready. To measure thyroid AP, move caliper to start point and click Set. Click Set again at the end point, and the system automatically generates next step in sequence. Measure thyroid transverse the same way. Then last step is thyroid sagittal. But we cannot measure thyroid sagittal in this view, so we should go back to scan. Before scan, we'd better save this image. Press P1. This view has been saved. Unfreeze screen, scan sagittal view again. Once you freeze, the caliper is ready for the last step. Measure the length of thyroid lobe. Then the system generates the calculated volume. Save this view. The reason for using labeled measurement is not only the auto annotation, but also for report. When you go to the report, all measurements are already recorded. Press P1 key to save it. All these images will be sent to PACS when you end exam. And depending on the preset, different labeled measurements will be provided. Also, you can create from the system preset. Second, carotid. In this case, we will practice a measurement and annotation function. Scan the common carotid artery in CF mode and add PW mode, and freeze. Press Measure key. Labeled measurement menus are on the left. You can see various measures. Press the left Set key. We will select the right distal CCA and click the option Semi-Auto Trace. Locate the caliber to the start point and press Set key, then move the trackball to the end point and set again. System generates the values on the screen, and if we go to Report, all values are already recorded. In case we want to add annotation, press Text key. Text labels will be on the left. We can also add more in the list. Go to System Preset, Annotation, and Text. Check the application and add New. We will add Right CCA Distal. Click Add. And click the text and Add again. Save the preset and exit the page. Now, press the text key again. Then we will see Write CCA Distal. To add the text label on the screen, rotate the Select key and click Write CCA Distal. Then the annotation displays on the screen. Using the trackball, and press the Set button to relocate the annotation on the bottom of the screen. This place does not overlap the spectrum, so we will set this as a default position. Rotate the Soft key 1, go to Set Home, and press the key. We set the place as a default. To change text, using Soft key, rotate Soft key 2. Word Grab. After grab a text, rotate Select key for choosing another text label and press. The annotation is changed. For relocating, grab the word again and move the trackball, and then press the Set key to fix it. Once the location and text is fixed, the color changed to yellow. Also, you can type the text using the keyboard. Every preset has different labeled measurements, and there are various measurement methods, such as dragging the spectrum, measuring distance continuously, and most functions are executed in order for the convenience of use. Report. After Measurement and Annotation, press the Report key. If you used labeled measurement, you will find the record. To see the basic measurement, click Basic Measure. To add your opinion, click Comment and input the text, and click OK to save. Preview shows you the printed report. If ultrasound images are needed, click Add Image Page. After the screen changes, select desired images and click the empty spot. Then the image will be attached on the report. In case you need to export report page, click PDF Export. Then you can export report as a PDF format.